Hello students, I'm down in the softball practice field. That's Victoria Park Lane, the tree line. There's a practice field. This is the varsity. You can see it behind the Cougar softball. That's the varsity field. Okay, this lesson's gonna be really quick, right? So you can see the campus, it's right below. They're the fields below the football stadium. Over there would be the boys' baseball fields. Practice, and then you can barely see you can see it right there. All right, so that's the varsity baseball field. This lesson's gonna be really short. It is review of the triangle sum theorem. Okay, so this is review, but we need it for similarity and when we go into trig. Okay, so there'll be a worksheet, but here we go. All right, triangle sum theorem. Right. It's just two examples. Like I said, it's gonna be really quick. Okay, the triangle sum theorem states that the sum of the interior angles is 180 degrees, and that's a little degree symbol, you know that. Always 180, right? Quadrilaterals are 360, triangles are 380. So we're talking about triangles here, right? Triangle, triangle. So when it says the sum of the interior angles, there are three interior or inside angles, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the theorem, if you were to Google it, it could be either ABC, hold on. The wind's coming this way. Okay. It could either be ABC or 1, 2, 3, just kind of depends. Okay, so measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 is equal to 180, always. Okay, so then here's your example. Angle A is 27 degrees, angle S is 82 degrees, angle T, we don't know, but we could very easily find out, right? Okay, so then I wrote it here. Remember that little lowercase m means measure of. So this right here means measure of angle, and then whatever the angle is. Okay, so in this case, it's angle A. And then you guys know equal is, and then 27 degrees. So yes, you see this, but it reads the measure of angle A is 27 degrees, okay? So measure angle S is 82 degrees, measure angle T, we need to find that out. Okay, so triangle sum theorem, there's the write-up. So now we're just gonna substitute. 27 degrees for A, 82 for S. So 27 plus 82 plus, and it's up to you if you want to leave measure angle T or if you want to call it X, totally your call. And if you just go straight to a calculator and you skip this, that's fine, okay? So that's 109 plus X equals 180. And then subtract. So I'm doing all the algebraic steps that you can actually do very quickly, right? So X is 71 degrees, or measure angle T is, what did I say, 71 degrees. Is that okay? Right? Easy. Like I said, this is gonna be a really quick video. Okay, the second example is algebraic. So I will write it out horizontally, but for students that want to write it out vertically, I'll also write that out. And again, this is just preference because this is review, and then many of you skip steps and totally get it. Okay, so if I wrote it out horizontally, 7x minus 11 plus 5x minus 2 plus 25 is equal to 180, right? Triangle sum theorem, right, where we need to find x. Triangle sum theorem is the interior of the three angles equals 180. Okay, I'll solve this, but for those of you that want to skip steps and you want to vertically stack, go for it, and then after you would just set it equal to 180. I can't see, I don't know where the camera is. Okay. So this is a big or. This is your preference. Okay, so here I get 12x, and then this is negative 13. So I get 12 here, right? I would have got the exact same thing here. Here's 12x. This is negative 13, and there is my 12. So again, it's just preference of how you want to write it. Okay, so I'm going to inverse operate 12. I get 168 and divide by 12. And you get x is 14. And that's it. And so same here, right? So the math is the same. So if you want to skip steps, you are welcome to it. I get it, okay? Okay, so what does the worksheet look like? The worksheet, well, it's a PDF. I would have brought it up anyways before I would have played the video. This isn't a page protector just because it's kind of muddy out here. I don't want it to fly and get wet. So you can see the first 4 are just find the third angle. So you don't need to show work. You can go straight into a calculator. The next 2, one of them's an algebraic expression. And then the next 4, there are 2 algebraic expressions for angles. Okay, that's it. There's nothing on the back. There will be, but we haven't hit that similarity part. Fair enough? All right, guys, have a good day. See you later.